Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me, Zeeshan Hurmaz, and back with another hot crypto project. Today just want to talk about Moonbeam, and you know about this one project. I'm already reviewed this one project many times. But if you look to this one project, you can see I'm already uploaded video about this one project at the listing time, who are listed on Binance and as well as on KuCoin. So right now I just want to give you some price prediction about this one project, and all the related link about this one project will be getting in the video description, so you can check them all one by one before you start. Small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project, and please make sure if you are on YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started recording. GLMR. Basically the GLMR, the symbol of this one project, and this is a Moonbeam token. You can see right over here, this is a Moonbeam coin, and basically this is this all list on KuCoin and as well as on Binance at a time. But if you look to the main trading view of this one project, trend lines of this one project, you can see this is too much boring, because you know at the listing time they just want to get a huge spike. You can see right over here, just want to scroll down and you can see they almost touch $51.07, and you can see this project is almost on 2.54. but if you look to the actual support of this one project, because this project is continuously become down, and if you look to the actual price of this one project, I just want to clear from the main coin market cap. You can see just want to scroll down, and I just want to looking for the all-time low. All-time low is they just want to create it almost 4 hours ago, almost 1.93, and if you looked a month ago, they just want to touch almost 437.07. so that means the volatility is 100% in this one project. You can also indicate from the main all-time low and all-time high. You can see a 4 hours ago they just want to create all-time low almost 1.93, and if you look to the all-time high, they just want to create a month ago almost 437.07. so right now if you want to get this one project, you can see this, you will be buy this one project almost 99.38% off. And if you want to, if you look to the all-time low, so if you want to buy this one project, you can buy this one project up 40.32% up right now. So basically this one project is too much volatile, and I'm not recommended this one project for all of you, because you can also indicate from the main all-time low and all-time high. And this is some detail about this one project, and if you want to get a complete detail video about this one project, so I'll place the link in the description box. You simply click on that, you will be never miss any type of update about this project, and you'll be get a complete detail video about this one project. But if you have a special coin, if you want to do, I am giving you some prediction about that coin, so you simply placed in the comments box, you simply write in the comments box. I am trying to my best, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.